уже объехал.
No, hopefully you lost the beat просто.
I lost the wheel completely.
Wheel?
Диск разделился.
Look at this. This is so crazy. The rim split in half.
Або на щось якийсь пеньок ти принести, щоб ти на нього наїхав.
This is the stump I hit. Not even sure how. Just went slightly sideways here and just hit the stump. That's what happens. Alright, as you just guys saw the video, how I there's no video how I ramped, but the stump that I hit with my front passenger side wheel. So here it is. This is the bent part that hit the stump, and as you can see, it's split into two pieces right now. Pretty fun, huh? I'm here at Alex's shop again to go over the damage. I just want to do a video of the damage that happened to the car. From the first review, I bent tie rod, I bent I believe both of my shocks, and then something happened at the back wheels. One of the wheel is like slightly kind of sideways. So we're gonna put the car right now on the lift and we'll go over it, and I'll want you guys to follow along and see what little damage, what little distraction from the road can do to your vehicle. I'm not sure what happened exactly. As I was driving, we aired down and I was just going around the puddle, and I think I either got distracted, just look us away or something, I'm not sure, but I heard I hit a stump that was buried like in the grass and everything. I didn't see it, so I hit that and my full car just kind of went up in the air. The guys behind me driving said the back went up at least like 2 feet. So imagine that. I mean, like 6,500 pounds vehicle with already with like 4 or 5 people inside, picking up at speed about 15-20 miles an hour and dropping back in. What kind of damage can, you know, be done? Without further ado, let's go ahead and go over the damage, and we'll see how much it's gonna cost me. I'm trying to finish this tonight and go to off-roading snow trip tomorrow. Currently have this wheel here. Looks extremely funny. I did made it home. Let's go lift the car up and see the damage. All right. Looks like this one is good. Tie rod is bent over here. You can see from here the cover of the inside brakes. This is from the disc, which is not a problem. And then this side we have this fork bent on the inside. We bent it out back. We had this fixed earlier, but over here, that's what we bent. And looks like we ripped this piece here too. Okay, а що ззаді? What's in the back, Alex? Let's see.
This one damage?
Bent или просто bent? So Alex says, so I think I bent this bolt here. This bolt is loose already too. And then same thing on this side. This one bent too, right?
Yeah, a little bit shock.
Shock damage.
Drop oil.
Alright. Okay, well, we'll try to fix it right now. See what we can do. So this is before what I had. Now we're gonna install BFGoodrich 285/70. I just measured. This one was about 6 inch here. This one's about 7 inch. They're both 33-inch tires. If you really want to be close, it's like 32.6 or something. And check this out. This is basically brand new tire right here. And these are pretty old. All right, we took out front 2 shocks completely. I think this one, this is the one was damaged. It was previously damaged on one of the videos I showed when I broke the tie rod. And then last time we basically, it bent right in the middle here, and then next time it bent right over here. We'll see the pin chipped off. We bent it out on side basically there, and that's how I drove home. Got new ones in stock. These are from Touareg. We'll see how they're gonna last, how they're gonna work. Everything is in. Also got 17-inch tires installed, so a lot more tire here. It was 6 inches from here to here, now it's 7 inches. So we're gonna go and check it out tomorrow, how it's gonna perform on snow. So that's it for this video. I'll share a link here of the video that last time I broke the my shock and the tie rod, so you can, if you guys are interested, take a look. Subscribe if you like more videos of the car builds and stuff like that. Also give me a like and subscribe, and see you out on the trails.